European Union is the first partner of Israel. 40% of Israeli imports are coming from the European Union and 34% of exports are going to the EU. And this is growing.
I feel that there's a stronger bridge that needs to get built between Europe and Israel. Israel has a thriving startup ecosystem. Europe has an emerging and fast-growing startup ecosystem, and I think the two can really cross-pollinate and create wonderful collaborations.
The Israeli market is a tiny market with only 8 million people, Hebrew-speaking mostly. It's actually a non-relevant market. So how come so many Israeli startups are starting every day? Obviously, they're not addressing the small market. What they're actually thinking from day one is how to go global.
Yeah, I believe that such an event is very crucial. It actually exposes Israel to European community. Israel is a great place, a lot of activity, great startups, great ecosystem that actually enable what is done here. Glad that you guys came here to be part of it.
So I think Europe is doing the right steps to keep up on the technology front, which is very important. And I think Israel can be a great partner because of the proximity, geographical proximity, because we speak the cultural proximity even.
So multinational companies today understand that innovation is the most important strategic tool for them. And they come to Israel because Israel has been traditionally very entrepreneurial and innovative. And we'll be happy to see more European companies coming to Israel.
I think this combination between fast-moving startups and more corporates is valuable for us.
We think that Israel is really kind of a secret source for innovation, and so we are really happy that Minderbridge decided to go to Israel and start this initiative.
It is very important to have this relationship with Startup Europe, because we believe that having a network of universities and solution providers will bring together much more knowledge.
It was a pleasure for us to host Startup Europe Comes to Israel and the European Innovation Day in our hub in Tel Aviv. It's really interesting for us, the collaboration with the Startup Nation.
The Israeli ecosystem brings a lot of innovation, disruptive innovation, fast-moving rhythm, agility of mind, out-of-box thinking, but it doesn't have a market. It doesn't have a market, and it's difficult to scale companies here. As opposed to that, in Europe, we have global market leaders. We have a more long-term strategic thinking. And combining these two together can create actually a force multiplier for both Israel and the European market to work together.